Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Optus modem. First, carefully unbox your new Optus modem and lay out all the components. You should find the modem itself, a power adapter, an Ethernet cable, and possibly a phone cable or a DSL cable, depending on your service type. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with these items. Having everything ready will make the setup process much smoother and quicker. Now, let's make the essential physical connections. Start by plugging the power adapter into the modem's power port and then into a wall socket. Next, identify your internet connection type. If you have ADSL or VDSL, connect the phone cable from your wall socket to the modem's DSL port. For NBN, use the provided Ethernet cable to link the NBN connection box to the modem's dedicated WAN port. With the cables connected, it's time to power on your modem. Press the power button, usually located on the back or side. The modem will take a few minutes, typically between 3 and 5 minutes, to boot up and establish a connection. During this time, you'll see various indicator lights flash. Look for solid green or blue lights on the power, internet, and Wi-Fi indicators, which signal a successful setup. Finally, connect your devices to your new Wi-Fi network. Find the Wi-Fi network name, also known as the SSID, and the password on the sticker usually located on the bottom or side of your modem. Enter these details on your phone, tablet, or computer. If you encounter any issues, try restarting the modem and double-checking all your cable connections. If problems continue, Optus support is always available to help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.